Won't you come out and play? Hi.
Okay.
Hornet! Hello, peppers!
What do you want? I heard you were hard to deal with last night. Making Joe drive everywhere.
It's not. Where you going, kitten?
Putting my uni stuff away.
Oh, you're so sad. Okay, second year at Hoki. Thoughts?
It's hot and muggy. Hopefully it doesn't rain.
It's raining.
Is it?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Do you enjoy it? Do you hate it?
Of course I enjoy it. I wouldn't have driven 4.5 hours to get here if I didn't.
After carpets and curtains, so if you could change this, would be nice.
Okay. So your first year, are you excited, Frank?
I don't know yet. Yeah, it will be fun. You know, like of course it will be fun. Yeah, be with the dudes together and girls, and yeah, it will be a good time. That's what it's all about, I guess.
Guardian?
Okay.
First year, second year?
Third time.
Third time?
Third time. Hoki's the best. It's really good.
Next year?
If there is a next year, we'll be here.
Yeah.
Every year
Yeah,
until
I will see.
every year until Hoki rots away and there's nothing left here.
Yeah, so,
And then
but
we'll be
it's a
very
good,
sad. But
it's a good
really
venue. Yeah, it's a good venue.
Nick, how many years at Hoki?
Third? This is my third.
And thoughts?
Damp. Awesome. No, it's going to be great. I can't wait. It's just everything, it's a curse. Everything I touch tends to break on the big day. On the biggest of days.
Isn't that Airsoft in general?
Pretty much. But I really wanted it to work this time. Don't look, stick a squirrel. Oh God, what are you doing to it? Hi Tanya.
Hi.
You're looking fine today.
Thank you. Suck
Is
up.
this your is this your projector camera? Oh, this is gonna be funny. The projector camera?
Yeah. How many years?
What are you projecting in the bedroom with your camera?
No. I want to go to sleep. I don't want to stay awake.
Ah, that's why.
Okay, so how many years at Hoki?
That's my second year.
And thoughts from the first year?
First year was really good. But we got how many people did we have last year?
Like 90 something, wasn't it?
Yeah, so almost half the people this year, so hopefully she'll still be good.
Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be totally awesome. Like, yeah, what else do you want me to say, Tanya? Oh yeah, it's amazing. Oh yeah. You're the best.
How many years at Hoki now that you've been?
This is my fifth.
Third, I think.
And thoughts?
I'm hungry.
Same.
I can do it the Coke too.
Never.
And ISIS, I mean, shoot, my thoughts on ISIS? I mean, shit, seriously. Leave me alone.
I want world peace
Alright, that's all.
and all that bullshit.
You just,
And chronograms.
Hang on. Okay, go. Go.
Hey, I'm John. I'm from CSG.
yeah, I'm like Guardian.
Hoki bitches!
I'm going to say I hate those guns.
First
Do not
year?
like them.
Yep, no, it is. It's my first year here. Couldn't make it last year due to the fact that I'd started a new job. But excited. The crew's all here. Gonna love it. Game on.
Fuck off, you homo.
Fuck you, bitch.
Anytime, anywhere.
How many years at Hoki now?
Oh yeah.
2?
Yeah. Sean built up. Have abandoned us.
Thoughts on it? Ideas? I'm not putting you on the spot or anything, am I?
We're not camera people, we're camera shop.
More passion. It's not as rowdy as last one. Not yet anyway.
14 first. So,
Say 2 each card.
that's 28 extras. Should be about 30.
I just use my bucket rubber band. Yeah, give it. Have me
There's stuff of a baby.
over there. Some more bits.
Hi, Mum. Hi, Dad.
Whatever. Help.
Oh shit.
Just cut it down.
Sorry, just put
it.
Oh.
Boxed you into a corner there, mate. Don't worry about it.
How many years have you?
Lucky. Oh, you missed it. I just changed, so I'm sorry. You missed the show. Maybe later on. Not.
Just about to get changed myself, you know.
Freak show.
Camera shy.
Did we miss the freak show?
Yeah, you did. I'm sorry. Everybody copped it at Nationals. Yay.
This time I have a video camera. Anything you wish to say to the people at home?
I don't know when.
You're from...
Lisa. That's about it.
3 from close down from Wanaka. With a mag that won't do.
First year, second year at Hoki,
Second for me. First time.
and there is someone hiding behind the door.
There is. Yep. I just hide in the corners.
He's an Aussie, so he's only half a man.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Tag. Christchurch.
Both?
Yeah. We live in the same house and everything.
Same house, same room. First, second, third time, fourth time.
Third, first.
Oh, first for me.
And you're planning to enjoy it even though it's raining.
It'll be fine. We're going to be hot, but we'll be fine.
A little rain now, I think I hurt anyone.
Except for like electric car guns.
And the Wicked Witch. Hey guys.
Good evening.
And who are you from?
Tag.
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 First year, second year, third year, Hoki?
Third.
Probably
Third or fourth or something. I don't know.
been here a couple of times. Plus,
Over the years. Trying to find bits. Bits.
And you're not going to melt like the Wicked Witch in the rain?
Nah. We
melt? No, although my gun might.
Confirmed not a witch.
I've had guns flaming in Hokitika in the wet before,
That's true.
so I'm not too stoked about that downforce.
It's raining.
What's
raining?
us? I gotta go here.
I'm videoing the rain.
Cool.
Because, yeah, it's raining.
It is. Well, it was. It's just slowing down again. So.
Hopefully showers soon. Hello.
Hi. Sucks not having gutters, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Sucks not having gutters.
Where's Buddy? It's obviously the food delivery.
Yeah. I'll get some other people in the hand. Now, if you look at the Wicked building, up on this corner here, there is a shit ton of beehives. Enter your own peril. I will not be going in there myself because I am allergic. So stick to the road that's on that sort of corner, but don't go into the bushes and places on the other side. Alright?
So they're not in the
That's up the top
They're
away
not in the
from
building, they're
Wake
on the
Up.
other side of the road, but they're only like 8 metres away. So if you shoot a beehive, expect to have something come back at you.
Where are we on the map?
What's that?
Where's this building?
That building is a white
No,
building.
this building. Where's this building on the map that we're in?
This one.
Thank you.
Alright, so that's the yellow building you drove past, and the blue building is the one that's just out here. The white building is way over the back. You'll be able to see it during the daylight if you actually take a look, but I'm just telling you, at the end of the BC trail, which comes out through here and stops about here, don't...
Okay. Operation Human Shield. So the blacks have taken the our buildings, and we need them because we're going to sleep here for the weekend, obviously. So we're going to go out and root them out. But there's a basic course, and everybody stole my maps. I was going to give them to the commanders, but hopefully we can get some of those back. So we're here, right? The basic route will start up here. We'll feed in through here. I was hoping to have 2 entrances on the buildings. 1 is available. I will sort that out with the blacks. You'll come through this building, out through the kitchen, through this little side door here, back past the flags, and then through this entry of the blue building. Everybody with me so far?
Can't see it.
Okay? Yeah, I know. It's bloody bright. So,
Start that one again. The blind one.
So we're starting on the far end of the yellow building. Over there. Okay? It'll be obvious because most of you will be starting over there. We'll go through here. A lot of it is marked with glow sticks anyway. They're only $2 shop things, so that by the end of the night when they might not be working. But we're coming through the yellow building, up the main hall, from the Hoki end, going through the kitchen, out through the first little door, round the side of the building. We all know where the flax is here. That have been here before. So we go round the flax. You'll
Adding a real interesting function, okay. I'm going to go check the times on the clock. What channel are you guys on?
37.
37.